In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable the on-screen home button on your Android device. Having an on-screen home button can be convenient, especially if your device's home button is not functioning properly or if you prefer a virtual option. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Accessibility. After that, tap Interaction and Dexterity. Now you'll see an option called Assistant Menu. Show a menu of easy-to-reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gestures, and other common interactions. Simply toggle the switch next to it. And then tap Allow to give it permission. Once you've enabled it, you'll see this floating button on the screen. Just tap on it, and it'll show you this menu. Now you can tap on the on-screen home button to go back to the home screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.